Hello mountain chums, me again today. Today, if you'll forgive me, we are not going for a walk in the Lake District. I will be back, I promise, and there will be more in the future. But today I wanted to talk to you, and crave your indulgence, about a new film that I've been working on for the last nearly 2.5 years. It's a documentary feature film about Hardknott Forest in the Lake District. And I am just coming up to the final stages of post-production, and I could do with your help. I was approached a few years ago by John Hodgson, who runs the Restoring Hardknott Forest project for the University of Leeds, to ask if I might be interested in going along and seeing what they do there. And I was and did, and as it went on, it became clear that this might actually be quite a big film. So in the end, I filmed over all 4 seasons in the forest, and now have a nearly completed feature film. What needs to happen now is it needs to have music and a professional sound mix, and that is going to cost a little more money than I can afford. So I have set up a Kickstarter campaign, and if you are willing and able, I'm not asking for money right now, I'm asking if you wouldn't mind clicking on the link and signing up to be notified. It's a really helpful way of getting the project out there, and hopefully will lead to final completion. When it's done, we're hoping that it will have screenings in the Lake District, and if anyone's interested, more widely than that. It's a project about the forest and landscape and wildlife, but it's also about the people who are involved in it, the people who give up their time to volunteer for it. And I think it's quite an optimistic film, because the work that the people are doing is not something that by and large they are going to see in their lifetimes, but it is planting seeds for the future, in some cases literally. For a forest restoration project, this isn't really about planting trees, although there is some of that. Largely what it is removing non-native Sitka spruces from a plantation that was managed by Forestry England, and before that, Forestry Commission. It was planted in the 1930s to provide wood for post-World War I Britain. A decision was taken around the turn of the 21st century that it would be good to try and restore a natural ecosystem and allow nature to return on its own terms. So what the project are doing is they are largely removing non-native trees, which is allowing the native species to return, to grow. And in doing so, it's creating an environment that is allowing for the return of other wildlife. So there are otters, red squirrels, there are pine martens returning. And it's really, really optimistic, and hopefully is an indicator of what environmental projects can do around the world. So the feature film is going to be about 80 minutes long, and is a proper cinematic documentary feature. I really would like you to see it. And for that to happen, we need to finish the project as best as we can. I would be really grateful if you could sign up, go to Kickstarter, click the link below here, and sign up to be notified. And if you can afford it, then obviously I would be very grateful if you could contribute. But if not, just sharing this would be really helpful as well. I'm looking to pay musicians and sound editors to give it a final polish before hopefully it's released in the Lake District and elsewhere, ideally. If you're interested, go to the link. If you have any questions, obviously post a comment and I will do my best to answer them. But if you've enjoyed my films over the years, I hope you will enjoy this bigger film. And thank you so much for all your support. It really does mean a lot to me. Some of the people who've commented have become friends. It's been really great fun, and I will be back. I will be back, and I will be making more Lake District films shortly. But in the meantime, if you could, I would be gratefully appreciative, and also come up with sentences that make more grammatical sense. I almost promise. Thank you very much for watching, if indeed you still are. If you've enjoyed this, do please click on the link and register to be notified. Stay safe.